Trauma-informed care for family resources is our platform practice across all our services and all of our disciplines. We operate several kinds of programs, different funding. Trauma is very prevalent in our community. People may not realize that 1 in 4 children in our community has experienced a life-altering traumatic event. That means 1 in 4 adults walking around has experienced trauma. The cost of childhood trauma is tremendous in our community. We pay for it now through the use of a lot of safety net services. We have lots of families that need to utilize food pantries, emergency rooms, Section 8 housing, all kinds of crisis-based services, and these are due to traumatic experiences as a child that do not allow you to grow up and have the coping skills and the functioning skills that we need to develop to be able to navigate adult life. How can we move our society from one that is reactive and we intervene to preventive and stop these issues or prevent these issues where they begin so that children don't grow up with these extra weights that they carry around into adulthood. If we can do that as a community, we can begin to take the dollars that we use for crisis-related services and move those dollars into improved job skills, into new facilities in our community, because we won't need all of the crisis safety net services anymore. We'll grow our economy, we'll grow our community, and it'll be a healthier place for kids, families, and businesses to thrive.